If you only have to buy one trench coat from Sezane for the almost year spring, which one would you choose? Scott? CLYDE? They're very different in several aspects, so let's find out the main characteristics of each one. Maybe this deep review and try-on can help you in your choice. Okay, the Scott trench coat. A loyal companion for 2 years now. This is the third year that I've got it. It's perfect for spring styling when the days get a little bit warmer, since it's made in 100% organic cotton. The Scott is one of Sezane's core pieces, so it's always stocked on their website. It isn't a seasonal piece, meaning you can always get your hands on this if you would like it. It comes in this traditional light camel, which is the most classic option. But you could also opt to grab this trench coat in khaki and in a navy blue, a deep navy blue. Both very beautiful. This design especially has this urban feel, and it adds a feminine touch to the silhouette, being more body cinched. It's double-breasted and it has a belt with large belt loops. It has fitted shoulders with button tabs that it actually open. They are functional, and it has this button tab also on the bottom of the sleeves. It has 2 side deep pockets and a beautiful lapel collar, very classic. At the back it has this beautiful and different detail with these buttons that you can open and close as you wish, and this is going to affect the fluidity and movement of the trench as you move and walk and the wind blows. I think it's a really lovely, unique detail, and it shows the attention to detail that Sezane so often put into their clothing. Another functional detail is this button in the middle of the belt at the back, and this allows you to attach the belt itself to the coat, which means that when you're moving, if you have the trench coat opened, the belt isn't going to move. It's not going to gradually slide more to one side or another, or even fall out of the coat with the risk of losing it. So the composition of this trench coat is 100% organic cotton, and the lining itself is made in this lovely shiny silky beige color. It's always tonal with the color of the coat depending on which you choose. It's supposed to be dry cleaned only, but last year I was with this trench coat and I dropped some dark chocolate on the front part here, and I just washed this part and it didn't ruin the fabric. It's perfect. In terms of length, it's just below the knee on me, and I'm 5'7". Size-wise, I went up a size to European 40 or US 8, as I always do for all my coats and jackets. Also, if you are about my height or above, you need to size up, as the sleeves will be too short. And in a trench coat, the sleeves aren't supposed to be 3/4 length. Okay, I love this trench. It's classic, timeless style, and I've been styling mine for 2 years now, and I just love it. In fact, since I had it to my collection, it's the one I reach for the most. I think that's all I have to say about the Scott. I honestly can't find any faults in it. The only thing I noticed when I was looking kind of really closely is a couple of frayed hems in this part here, but something very minor. Overall, I think the craftsmanship, design and fabric, everything about this coat is really high quality and at a fair price. So I would definitely recommend this trench coat, and I will link it down below. Let's move on to the CLYDE trench coat, a design Sezane added to their collection since only last year. At first only available in camel, but now you can choose from black, dark khaki, light beige, ecru, and of course the camel version. I ordered the CLYDE trench coat in 2 colors because I haven't decided which color to reach for. The camel is the most beautiful in my opinion, but since I have the Scott in camel already, I wanted to go to another color. And so I ordered in khaki and in light beige. If you like the CLYDE, you need to add it to your wishlist like I did, and as soon as it's available, you need to buy it or it will sell out in a blink of an eye. So let's grab this one. I think it's easier to see when the fabric is lighter. So the CLYDE is an A-line oversized trench coat. This, yes, it's oversized with a classic shirt collar and middle front single button fastening. It has raglan sleeves, it has no belt and no belt loops. It's supposed to be this boyfriend fit, more masculine style. It has this British countryside aesthetic, at least in my opinion. It has also deep comfortable pockets at the front, and the length it's longer than the Scott. The Scott it's more a midi trench coat, and this one is 10 centimeters longer. So the length it's mid-calf on me, which can be a bonus as it makes us look taller. At the back it also has a vent, and the composition of all colors except the camel is 50% cotton and 50% viscose. The camel version is actually made in 100% cotton. Why? I don't know why they didn't use the same 100% cotton for all colors, but the fact is like that. It has this beautiful checked pattern lining. Really, really beautiful. The lining is made in 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So as you can see, in general, the quality of the fabrics has lowered in the CLYDE compared to the Scott, and the price has actually raised. Okay, as for the design, I'm convinced that this design was made to be worn with the sleeves rolled up to show the beautiful, gorgeous lining. So I'm wearing size European 40, again same size as the Scott, US 8, and the sleeves are perfect on me. So the check lining is, in my opinion, a really beautiful detail. It gives this little pop of color to otherwise a plain coat. Also, the rolled up sleeves really relaxed in its shape and give you that really nice fit. As I said, it has no belt or belt loops, as it's meant to be worn loose on the body, and the slightly oversized fit allows you to wear thicker jumpers underneath if you want. And you reached the end of today's video. I hope you did enjoy this review and styling options, and that my thoughts about these trench coats could help you to know a little bit more about the Scott and the CLYDE. They are quite different in style, they serve different purposes. So despite having already